EV technology is the fastest growing sector.
The electric vehicle is the future of transport, but the power stored inside is useless until it completes one crucial circuit, the charging process. This process is a battle between two power types, the AC from the grid and the pure DC required by the battery. The system must perfectly reconcile them. The EV charging ecosystem has three core players: the external charger, or EVSE, the onboard charger, OBC, and the battery management system, BM. We will break down two main methods: slow AC charging at home, which uses the car's OBC, and rapid DC fast charging, which bypasses it first. The mandatory link, communication. The car and the charger must communicate to establish the maximum safe charging speed. The charger tells the car the maximum current it can safely supply. This ensures the car never draws more power than the charging station can handle. Before any power flows, the communication signal confirms that the plug is securely locked and all contacts are physically safe. The entire complexity of AC charging lies within a powerful conversion unit hidden inside the car itself. The onboard charger, OBC. The OBC's job is essential: convert the incoming grid AC power into the high voltage DC power required by the battery cells. The OBC uses the same advanced rectifier and filter technology found in a VFD, converting the AC wave into a smooth, stable DC supply. For long journeys, DC fast charging level 3 is required. This method dramatically speeds up charging by circumventing the car's internal limits. Unlike home charging, the DC fast charger contains the massive conversion equipment outside the car, in the charging station itself. This external converter sends high voltage, ready-to-use DC power straight to the battery, bypassing the OBC and increasing charging speed exponentially. The amount of current delivered off in hundreds of amps generates intense heat within the cable, the plug, and the battery cells. To prevent damage, modern fast-charging cables are liquid-cooled. A fluid constantly circulates through the cable jacket to manage the intense heat. The charging station and the car constantly negotiate the power level based on battery temperature. Continuous conversation managed by the BMS. The BMS throttles the current down as the battery fills up. This protects the cells from overheating and ensures the battery's longevity. This is why fast charging is only truly fast until the battery reaches about 80%, after which the power is sharply reduced for safety. For safety, the DC fast charger utilizes two main safety relays, one in the car and one in the station, which must both close for the power to flow. A critical safety check is performed immediately before and during charging, monitoring for any ground fault or short circuit. The true guardian of the charging process is the battery management system, BMS. It is a highly complex computer, monitoring thousands of individual cells. The BMS monitors the voltage, temperature, and state of health of every single battery cell group. It is the bottleneck for all power flow. To maximize battery life, the BMS performs cell balancing. This ensures all cells within the pack have an equal state of charge. If one cell group overheats or overcharges, the BMS will instantly open the main battery contactors, safely isolating the entire pack from the charger. The BMS uses an internal thermal management system. Liquid cooling channels run throughout the battery pack to keep the cells within their optimal temperature range. The thermal system is crucial. The ideal battery temperature for both performance and longevity is typically around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Finally, the BMS reports the car's state of charge, SOS, to the driver in the charging station, the critical percentage we see on the dashboard. Ultimately, the BMS is a safety firewall. It is responsible for protecting one of the most expensive and critical components of the entire vehicle. The EV charging system is a seamless blend of high-power electrical engineering and advanced digital control, making the process safe and efficient. Whether drawing power slowly overnight or rapidly during a road trip, every electron is monitored, controlled, and synchronized by the car's digital guardians. This technology allows the EV to integrate perfectly into the grid, drawing power when cheap and resting when demand is high. The future of the smart grid depends on this precise communication between the vehicle and the power source. If you were charged up by this deep dive into EV technology and power control, please like this video and share it with fellow enthusiasts. Comment below and tell us which component you think is the most technologically impressive, the OBC, the BMS, or the huge DC fast charger. Don't miss our next breakdown on hydrogen fuel cells, the next frontier in clean vehicle power. Click the notification bell. And finally, subscribe to UA Electric for more essential 3D breakdowns of the complex systems that power our modern world.